Hello student, welcome to Max Study Official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the REITs recruitment, which is conducted by the separate examination, and a few of the seat is also recruited through gate examination, and a few of the discipline like you need to go. If you have a fresher, do not have any experience, then you need to give a gate examination. For these posts you need to have a minimum 2 years of experience in a certain discipline, which I have going to discuss in a further video. So let's begin with the video. REITs have released specific three branches discipline in a particular recruitment. For the civil, electrical and mechanical, they are recruiting total number of posts 25, 15 and 8. So for the mechanical engineering, they have released the number of seats for unreserved category 7, number of seats for EWS 1, OBC 4 and SC 3. There is no seat for ST. Similarly applicable with the electrical and civil as well. And there is one reserved position for the PWD candidate. If any of the candidates applicable in this category, then need to go with the one seat for the which have reserved by the organization. After that, they release the like pay scale and all those things. You need to once you need to confirm in the organization, you need to undergo the training, and at the time of training you need to give the basic pay around 40,000, which is range in between the 40,000 to 1,40,000, and after that the salary has been revised after 2 years. But they have also mentioned in these recruitment you need to have these degree BE, BTech, BSc engineering in mechanical, production, industrial and automobile. Like after completing your engineering graduation, you need to have a minimum 2 years of experience, which they have mentioned in a notification. You need to have experience in either quality, production, manufacturing and maintenance operation. If you have any of these experience, then definitely go with this form, because you have a very similar pattern of HPCL, exactly like HPCL and REITs. The number of question and all those things patterns are exactly repeated with these recruitment. So you need to fill these form as well if you have already or you have a more than 2 years of experience. Remember that without experience you do not allow to fill it, because at the end of the process, if you have selected, then they initiated the BGV, background verification process. If you fail to clear that BGV process, then you are not eligible to reserve that seats. So better way, if you do not have experience, do not fill this form. So next process is selection process. They have mentioned it. The selection process they have expressed like they mentioned in experience have a 5% weightage. After that 60% weightage for the written test, and the interview they have put the 35% weightage, and the total pattern of these you need to majorly focus on the written test. After that you focus on a interview. Like these are the basic parameter you need to take care. And for the minimum percentage, you need to secure 50% for OBC and category wise OBC, ST, ST in a written test. And for the under-reserved category, you need to secure minimum 60% marks of overall and interview as well. Both of these things like written and interview need to be clear with the 60% for unreserved candidate. For the SC, ST, they have already mentioned 50% reserved for these category. After that you need to go with the date and all those things and fee structure. They have mentioned that the fee structure for the open candidate 600, and for the reserve candidate you need to pay only 300 rupees with taxable amount. And the important thing that if you have any issue related to that, they have mentioned that the help desk contact number, definitely you connect with them if you have any issue related to form and all those things. For these posts you need to have only 6 centers in a major city. Like you need to either go with Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Nagpur. If you do not live in these cities, then might be there is some traveling issue happening. So plan accordingly. If you do not have any other examination and focused on these examination, then definitely you choose the nearest center which you have located over there. After that they have some starting and last date. These recruitment are released in the 30th of July. And last date was 25th of August, which is around 3 to 4 days is remaining. If you want to fill this form and if you are fulfill all these criteria, then definitely you fill that form. And date of examination, it's around in the month of October, not early of that. Then if you have like these qualifications, if you are eligible these posts, then definitely you fill it and go for examination, because it's a very good opportunity for those who have a 2 years of the same post, same pay scale with the gate as well, without any experience. But you have if you do not have a good gate score, then you need to go with these examination. At the end you both are lying in the same pay band. So if you like this video, then definitely share with your friend. If you have any question, do comment below. By the way, thanks for watching.